Welcome to this explainer. Let's see how one sneaky psychological trick built a massive global retail empire.
IKEA rakes in $45 billion, right? Partially by mastering a pricing tactic you can totally use today.
MIT researchers asked 100 students to pick an Economist subscription. Which one would you go for?
They offer digital for $59, print for $125, or a print digital combo for exactly $125.
The crazy part? A massive 84% of them actually jumped on that combo deal.
So, researchers just removed that print-only option, since literally 0% of students bought it anyway.
The results completely flipped. Suddenly, 68% chose digital, and only 32% wanted the combo. That right there is the decoy effect. An intentionally bad third option actually manipulates your final choice.
But hey, be careful. Movie theaters actually use this terribly when pricing their popcorn.
Think about it. A small costs 300 rupees, medium is 650, and large is 700. Their underlying message is basically just overpay, which creates this painful, guilty buying experience.
Sure, that works in a trapped theater, but in a free market, painful pricing drives customers away forever.
Now, let's pivot and look at how IKEA absolutely nails this strategy with their cabinets.
Option A is 40 bucks. Option B is 60. Option C is 65 but adds premium materials.
Here, option B is the decoy. Standing next to it, option C looks like a total steal.
But get this, it makes option A look amazing too. Budget buyers feel like they saved big time.
The genius part? Budget buyers feel respected. That means they'll totally come back later as premium customers.
IKEA scales this globally by intensely studying local cultures, literally right down to their specific spoon sizes.
So, ready to use this yourself? Here is the 5-step playbook to nail the decoy effect. First up, grab your most profitable product and make a budget substitute to hook low-income buyers. Next, drop in an inferior decoy. Price it super carefully to make your premium option look irresistible.
Finally, keep total choices under 5 and place that decoy's price right next to your premium product.
Want to geek out on pricing psychology? These two books by Richard Thaler are absolutely incredible reads.
Misuse this, and people walk. So, are your favorite brands manipulating you or actually providing true value?